morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Let's discuss. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's talk about everything else that is happening in the world of crypto, guys. Let me see where this volume is coming out from. Circles, guys. Okay. Okay. Can you hear me now? Let's go. So, guys, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Let me share the screen. Circles. You are welcome. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's talk about everything else that is happening in the world of crypto. As you guys can see, the bulls are back. Bitcoin is back up above $170,000. It's now almost back up to $118,000. And if we could stay above $180,000, so all-time high soon. So Bitcoin, if Bitcoin test, $180,000 and we stay above, so all-time highs quickly, the boom, we will be reclaiming the bull cycle once Bitcoin stay above $118,000. So you guys can see, so the market is holding strong. Most of the altcoins are up, back upwards again. Yeah, guys, share the stream with your friends and family. So let's dive into the market together. Let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto. That's amazing, man. You guys already know that. So for you guys who always tune in every single day, always share the stream with your friends and family. For sure, there's a reward for you guys. Let's dive into the market. We have a lot of bullish news for the, most of the altcoins as well, like BNB hitting all-time high. So we have almost about 70% chance for Bitcoin to be heading at least hitting all-time high, which are between about $124,500, which was the all-time high. So we are almost about a 70% chance to be getting there. So there's this way who add about $1,000 to BNB when BNB was trading between about $1 per coin. It's still holding its BNB. Now it's hitting all-time high. So it's up with 1,000-fold with about it's $1,000 turning $1,000 to $1 million. So we'll be looking into all those things that is happening in the market. Most we have some positive news in the market. So the Fed finally decided to cut interest rates. Yesterday, as I was saying yesterday, that if the Fed decide to cut interest rate, the market will be booming. Most of the altcoins will be upwards again, which is what is happening. And you guys can see, most of the altcoins are up double digit, even if from today. Dogecoin is up. We have a lot of, which I'll be looking into that. We have some positive news for Doge as well. So finally, the spot ETF gets listed in US, which I think it will be future spot ETF. That's because that is not that is not the real spot ETF. That must be the future spot ETF, which is why Dogecoin is up today huge. Like Avalanche, we have a lot of positive news for Avalanche as well. You guys can see Avalanche is up huge. So coming here, yeah, guys, let's discuss. If you are watching from YouTube, you are watching from X, aka Twitter, you are watching from Popfun. Guys, I'm streaming to Popfun right now as well. So I'm streaming to Popfun. If you are watching from Popfun, I'm also streaming to YouTube as well. So my Popfun streaming token is now live, as you guys can see here. So this is the token, it's live here. So it's sitting with about 19K market cap. I already locked about 30% of the supply. So the plan is to take it to a huge amount of market cap, because I don't want to measure, just as you guys all know, but for sure, 1,000. This is the t-shirt which I'm even wearing. You guys can see BITCHAT, so 1,000S. So 1,000S. So BITCHAT 1,000S, that is what I'm wearing. Let me start so you guys can see it. So BITCHAT is the dad of me. So first, let's dive into the market. Let's see what is happening in the market. So Japan, which is a release point, just bought about 77,000. 77.515 more Bitcoin, not up to 77,000, 77.15 Bitcoin. So bringing their total Bitcoin holding to 1,350. 77,000 Bitcoin is almost about that is about 7 billion. That is about 3 point something billion dollars, close to about $4 billion. So this one here is about 77 Bitcoin, that is, which is about a few millions of dollars. So what am I trying to say? You guys can see that, so the Wall Street, most of the institutional investors, they keep buying. The big boys keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. So the Bitcoin and crypto adoption keep getting wide every single day, which is why you never go wrong by buying Bitcoin. Mostly today, I will be showing you guys, why, this year and hold for a long term is very, very important. So using this BNB as an example for you guys as well, which I will be showing you guys shortly. So coming to Avalanche, you guys can see here, Avalanche is up huge today with about 15% in the past 7 days. Today is up with about 11%, 10.9% Avalanche is up huge today. So why? That's because coming here, as you guys can see, Avalanche also Avalanche expanded stable coins payment to Korea and Japan. Korea and Japan as well. So which is quite huge for Avalanche team. So this is huge for Avalanche team and Avalanche holders as well. So guys, as you guys can see, the most of those developers they keep taking a huge move. Those projects keep taking a huge move towards Bitcoin and crypto. That's because so this is one of the way to achieve a financial freedom over the past few years, to easily achieve a financial freedom over the past few years. Bitcoin and crypto keep getting wide, keep taking over every part of the world. More people keep embracing Bitcoin and crypto every single day. Why Bitcoin is here and what Bitcoin is created for. Why would you embrace it? Because this has been one of the best performing assets in the history of mankind, which is what keep happening to Bitcoin and crypto. You guys can see Avalanche as well, which is why it's up huge today. Coming here, yeah, guys, let me see W on the chart, man. If you're watching from YouTube, let me see W on the chart. Yes, amazing. If you're watching from YouTube, let me know, guys. Let me see W on the chat, guys. So, guys, for sure, share this too with your friends and family. I'll be doing a giveaway with this BITCHAT token. So, you guys, so if you are holding, all you just need to is for you to hold all you need to is for you to hold just a decentralized wallet, for sure. I'll be sending it to you guys all. So I lock 30% of the supply, which is about a 300 million token. So, which is more than a quarter of the supply, a quarter, more than, because this is a $1 billion token, and the plan is to take at least $100 million not in next year. So, which is imagine taking a token from $20,000. It's between about $20,000 today. So I just created it yesterday, and it's now live for between the past 2 days. You can see 2 days. So I'm live on a pop phone right now. So once you're on pop phone, all you just need to type BITCHAT. So it will take you here. So once you click on it here, you'll see that this is my photo. Let me see. You can see it here. So this is it. So I'm live on pop phone as well. You can see I'm streaming to pop phone. So which is the streaming token is live, sitting between about 19K. Let me try and mute it again, man. It's crazy. Whoa. Let me take it off. I just take it off. So guys, oh my goodness. So let's go. So coming back here, let's see what is happening. BNB. So guys, BNB price hitting a new all-time high. Today, BNB hitting $1,000 per coin. So what do you guys need to see? There's something I want you guys to know about BNB. BNB hitting all-time high, which is quite something huge, because during BNB ICO, BNB was trading between about how much per coin? So BNB was trading between about 10 cents per coin when they launched it during the ICO. So when they launched BNB during the ICO, was they sold the token between about 10 cents per coin. But guess what? BNB today is hitting head up to all-time high between $1,000 per coin. So there's something I want you guys to take out from here, that so I want you guys to know that so holding for a long term, it works. So if you have been buying most of these those error, which have a lot of usage, like a SUI, Solana, so SUI, Solana, SRP, BNB as well. For sure, you will be in profit if you hold for a long term. So, which is why I'm showing you guys this. A diamond hard investor turns a $1,000 into 1 million as a BNB top at $1,000. This is true, guys. If you think this is impossible, it's possible. So this guy here, what happened is that, oh my goodness, this PC though is this once again. Fox. This PC going out of signal once again, man. It's crazy, guys. Fox. Oh, never took so much time like this. Guys, sorry for that, man. Sorry for that. My PC, one of my PC, my monitor, I mean, one of my monitor usually lose signals once I'm live, which I think I have to change it. So guys, coming back, so what I'm showing you guys here, sorry guys for that. So what you guys can see here is that, this guy among hard investors, this investor turning about, turning $1,000 into $1 million. So I can tell you guys that DCA and hold for a long term, it works. So if you think that it's impossible, which is what you guys are seeing here. So what happened is that this investor had some Bitcoin, some crypto to his portfolio. But you guys can see, a day like today, it's up huge. So it's up huge. So coming here, as you guys can see, during 2017, when a BNB was around $1,000, a dollar per coin, so he added $1,000 worth of BNB to his portfolio. So, which you guys can see, because despite the up and down, this dude here decided not to sell. So coming here, you can see this is during 2017 when the market was down. So 2017 when the market was down, this dude here had guess what? He decided to add a BNB to his portfolio between $1 when BNB was trading between $1, added $1,000. But despite the up and down, this dude here did not sell his BNB. He decided not to sell because he believed that the market will come up huge. So which is what you guys can see here. Despite the up and down, this dude is up huge. So you can see here, so the up and down, 2021, we head up, the market dip back down. You can see here, 2022, we dip down, 2023, we dip down. But guess what? 2025, BNB hitting all time, and you can now see the wallet is holding between about $1.1 million worth of BNB. He has still not sell his BNB, he's still not taking profit. So this is a diamond hard. So this tell you that you can turn $1,000 to $1 million in the crypto space. But so you have to be patient enough. So people who said the deal, they won't be rich. If you want to be rich, you have to hold for a long term. So this dude here holding a BNB for a long term between about, that is just between about 8 years, if I'm not mistaken. So 2017, you guys can see between 8 years, so he's turning $1,000 to $1 million without trading. If you have been trading, $1,000 for the past 8 years, you won't even turn it to $1 million. So this is why I keep telling you guys that so one of the best strategy is not by one of the best strategy to make money in crypto. It's not by trading. So it's by DCA and hold for a long term. So if you can DCA and hold for a long term, for sure you will be rich. You will be highly rich by DCA and holding. By DCA and holding, you will be highly rich, which is what you guys can see here. Buying a BNB $1,000 in 2017, holding it till now, is now becoming a 1.1 million, between 1 million. That's because BNB was trading a dollar back then, and BNB during the ICO it was 10 cents. So it was already double almost about a 10x before this dude had $1,000. Now $1,000 is now 1 million in between 8 years. So it's possible for you to still make money in crypto. We are still early. It's just for you to at least to hold those tokens that have a lot of usage. It's very, very important. So coming here, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So this is Robert Kiyosaki. So guys, Robert Kiyosaki is saying that so kids are being brainwashed to slave for faking money to slave for faking money, which is true. So most of the people, everybody right now, mostly even if they fake money as well, which is the fiat, so everybody be brainwashed to even if to save money in the fiat as well. We're being brainwashed at least to slave for fake money, which is the fiat, the government money. So if you keep if you keep your money in the fake money, which is if you keep keeping your money in the fake money, which is the fiat, which is the government money, they keep printing more and more of it. For sure, so you will be highly rich. Just like as I showed you guys just now, it's only crypto. This is possible. It's impossible anywhere. It's between the crypto space. Only this can be possible. Turning $1,000 to $1 million in between 8 years. It's only possible in the crypto space. So I keep telling you guys every single day. So imagine, so someone has holding $1,000 worth of BNB, so investment over the years, so and turning it to $1 million. This is about 1,000-fold. So return in between 8 years. Between 8 years, this is 1,000-fold. So that is quite huge. So these investors acquiring the tashes of about $1,000 when Binance ecosystem native tokens traded around $1 back in 2017, and now so even if it's still on blockchain, still showing that they have still not taken profit. It's very, very important, so for you to know that so one of the best way to invest today, one of the best system to invest on today in the crypto space, because it's one of the way for you to achieve financial freedom without, because crypto work for you. You need crypto more than crypto needing, mostly Bitcoin, so which is a store of value as well. So guys, coming back here, this way moving about 15,200 ETH, worth about $70 million from Binance in the past 2 hours. So why is this important is that despite the market is uphill, you may be thinking that so those who maybe they should have been depositing in centralized exchange like Binance, but guess what? They are withdrawing from a centralized exchange like Binance to decentralized wallet, because they are not even willing to sell their Bitcoin anytime soon. They don't want to sell their Bitcoin anytime soon, which is quite huge. Keep showing you guys those data for you guys to know that so most of this way, so they are not willing, they don't even want to sell their Bitcoin anytime soon. So Favor, you are on popcorn, Abby. Wow, I can see the chat there. So you are welcome to popcorn. You are welcome. You are welcome for sure. Okay, you are the B324 34 address. Yeah, okay, you are welcome to Pop Fund. So the truth is that so you can follow the address as well on Pop Fund. So when you click on it, you can follow it. So what I will be doing later is that I will be creating a community on S, aka Twitter. Then I will try to bump some of the token. So at least to create more value for the token as well, at least to take it above $20,000 once again. So put it above 20K. So I will be trying my best one of the days to make sure that okay, maybe well, what will be happening is that I will even add you on live on Puffon because maybe later in the day I will be streaming on Puffon live. So let's say that will be possible later. So because I always stream on Puffon live, so just try to tune in later. So I will just have to you don't have to click on the request. I will add you to the stream. So coming back here, guys, so BITCHAT just secures approvals from Germany Federal Financial Supervisors Authority to expand his European offerings to include regulated crypto trading services. Keep telling you guys that Bitcoin and crypto adoption keep getting wide, so that which is why most of those exchanges keep expanding their company every part of the Europe, even if the West Africa as well, it's European, America, the United States as well. So you are welcome, guys. You are welcome. You are welcome for sure. You are welcome. So I will add you later. Okay. So guys, you guys can see what is happening in the market. Even if today Bitcoin and crypto is up, not just Bitcoin and crypto is up, you can see. Even if the European stock market is up, I was telling you guys yesterday. So if the Fed decide to cut interest rate, they cut interest rate by 25 basis point yesterday. So if the Fed decide to cut interest rate, the market will skyrocket, which is what is happening today. You guys can see. So Bitcoin is now up huge. SRP is up. Solana is leading the market as well. Solana is up huge today, trading, hitting almost about. Let's quickly see again. Solana, okay, almost trading around $249. This was the recent all-time high, which was about $250, and it's almost back up to 2021 all-time high, which is about $260. So that was the 2021 all-time high. This cycle, so which was January here, Solana head up to $296 per coin. So it's slightly down. I remember 2 months ago, 3 months ago, when Solana did below $95. Whenever most of you guys watching me right now will say, "Oh, will Solana ever come back up above $200 once again?" You guys was asking above $200. I say yes, don't be surprised. So we'll be back up to $200 once again. Solana is back up to $250. So looking at Asia market, it's been the stock market, it's been still not bad. Some are negative, some are positive. Coming back to the United States, you can see the US stock markets are up huge as well because of the interest rate, which Jerome Powell decided to cut yesterday by 25 basis points. So the Europe, you can see everything is in green. So everything is popping as well. So coming back here, so guys, you guys can see this is the token. So BITCHAT is now live, as you guys can see. So once you are on Pop Fund, just once you're on Pop Fund, just type BITCHAT. BITCHAT, that is the top meme coin which will pop up because they have the highest market cap there on Pop Fund. So sitting around 19K. So the plan is to take it more higher. So you guys can see here the supply. So this is the liquidity pool, which is about 57%. And for that to push the liquidity to which is what is it called again? This desk, the biggest desk in the space here, which is let me quickly see, which is being called what is one of the okay, Radium. So for that to push the liquidity to Radium, being forgetting. So for that to push the liquidity to Radium, you can see the progress here is already about 54%, which will have about 46% left for the liquidity to be on Radium. It will be trading on Radium once we have the 46%, which is we have left. So you can see the liquidity pool on Pop Fund is about 57%. So coming back here, this 30%, I own this address. So this 30% is locked, so it can't be moved. So this dev wallet is also my wallet to follow by the other holders here. So this show that we have a long way to go. Keep we have a long way to go. We are just getting started. Keep this here. Make sure you are holding it's not a financial advice. So if you are holding a big chart as a token, you will be profitable for sure. Because I will drop, I'm not selling anytime soon. It's a long-term project, so which I want most of you guys, I want you guys to benefit from it as well. So let's do Q&A, guys. Let's do Q&A. If you have any question, drop your question on the chat. Let's drop your question on the chat. Let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A, guys. The market is looking bullish, and if Bitcoin stay above $180,000, it shows that so we'll be up huge. Bitcoin will be hitting all-time high, anytime soon. So once Bitcoin tests above $118,000, we stay above $180,000. So we'll be testing all-time high quickly, and show that the bulls, once we are above $180,000, we will claim the bull market was again. Most of the traders are bullish because the Bitcoin, we are almost about with 70% chance is to hit a new all-time high. Between the next 2 weeks, we have about 70% chance that the Bitcoin will be heading at least above $124,500 in the next 2 weeks. That is about 70% chance. So which is quite true. So guys, coming back here once again, the BNB, I want you guys to see this. So once again, this tell you guys that so even if you can't make $1 million from Bitcoin, so with $1,000 right now, because the Bitcoin is already having a huge market cap, but there are some good altcoin in the crypto space which you can turn $1,000 to $1 million. But you have to wait for a long time. You have to be patient. People who make money in cryptos are people who are patient. Imagine you buying a BNB between $1,000. BNB, your $1,000 head up to $200,000. You still not sell. Your $1,000 head up to $400K. You still not sell. You can see, despite the up and down, this person is still holding because he is a believer in crypto. That is how it's supposed to be. So when you believe in project, you have to hold for a long time, despite the up and down. You can see his holding still head up to 600K, still not sell. 700K, still not sell. 800K, 900K, now $1 million plus. He has still not sold his BNB. So that is how it works. Just between 8 years, turning $1,000 to $1 million. It's possible. It's only possible in the crypto space. So even if the BNB, the team are working so hard, so it's very, very important as a team to always create value for the token holders. BNB, they usually burn most of the token almost every cycle. They usually burn some of the token as well, which is why BNB is up huge. Okay, guys, drop your question on the chat, man. Let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A. Thank you, guys. Oh, you guys are amazing. Thank you, guys. If you're watching the stream, share the stream, share the stream, share the stream with your friends and family. Let them know about Bitcoin and crypto. Brian Armstrong, so the CEO of Coinbase, so he says that the crypto market structure registration has a good chance of getting done after witnessing a strong bit percent support. So he said that after this huge support, from the United States reset the SEC chair, so he thinks that so the market structure registration, so it has a chance to getting done anytime soon, and it will really help the crypto space as well. So once they have a good structure from the crypto market, which I think that is also positive for Bitcoin and crypto. But there's something I want you guys to know that guys. So Bitcoin, the market is up huge. We are in the last phase of the cycle. If history is on our side, that is because a lot of people be bullish right now. So once the market turn negative, if history is on our, whoa, Solana is back up above 250 once again, man. It's crazy. Let's quickly see. So it's let me refresh this. Solana is back up to 250, man. Yeah, you can see here. Solana is back up to 250, 254 cents. That's quite huge. Most of the altcoin are skyrocketed today. You can see BNB 994. That's because some people take profit. You know, BNB is up huge. So Avalanche up huge. 12.90% in 24 hours. Above $33 now. Wow. That's quite huge. So guys, let's do Q&A. Let's do Q&A. Most of the altcoin are up here. Gloria, June, Naomi, Matthew, good. Akachi, okay, how are you guys all doing? Good, I'm good. Greetings, everyone in the house. Slade, greetings to you guys all. So guys, share this with your friends and family. Let them know about Bitcoin and crypto. It's very, very important so that in the next few years where Bitcoin trading above $1 million per coin, they will say that you did tell them about Bitcoin. It's very, very important for you to let them know right now. Let them know about BITCHAT as well. So you guys will see, by this time next year, you guys will see what we, it may not even hurt the, less than next year, you guys will see, what the market cap of BITCHAT will be. So market cap of BITCHAT is still early, between 20K, $20,000 per market cap is still early. It's just like a baby just newly born, which was just born between 2 days right now. So, but you guys will see what will happen to BITCHAT, in the next few months, in the next few weeks. You guys can see it here. So, it's sitting beside me because it's a newborn baby. So, BITCHAT is live on Pop Fund. You can get it, but I'm showing you guys that so it's not a financial advice, but you guys will see. So what it will be, what the market cap will be. Festus, I'm good, guys. Evening to you all, guys. Unlimited J boy, how are you guys all doing? I hope you guys hear from me. Like, and this guy, which other guy again? There's this guy, I can't remember the name, which always chat with you guys here. So, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow from 6 p.m. Central European time. But I will be live on BitChat. Sorry, guys. Yeah, BitChat on Pump Fund later. So I'll be streaming on Pump Fund later. So to BitChat later in the day. So you guys all should catch up with me there. The link to meet with me on Pop Fund. You guys can even come up there where we can discuss and chat. So it will be it's already in the description of this video. Even if the stream of yesterday, the link is in the description. So guys, I'll see you all tomorrow from 6 p.m. Central European time on YouTube. But later in the day, I will be on Pop Fund live streaming as well. You guys can see the market still looking bullish. Bitcoin and crypto is here to stay. Stay strong. Keep this here. Keep holding. If you are in profit, take profit. Ethereum is up huge, above $4,600 once again. So his all-time high, which was about $4,950, may be happening anytime soon. Because the way they keep accumulating, I just show you guys just now that this way who withdraw about 15,208, worth about $17 million out from Binance. It's not depositing, it's withdrawing, which is quite positive for the market as well. So guys, see you all tomorrow, guys. Charisco is out, or meet me up on Pop Fund. We discuss there. See you guys later. Charisco is out.